Many of y'all know I can't eat ramen. Well, I can eat ramen, but not spicy ramen. Let's pray. I don't die from this. One of y'all. Also, I am a little quiet because my mom is out here and I'm camera shy. Look at ratching. What the freak? We have to cook this on the stove? On the stove, man. Well, let's just open it and wing it. Yeah, let's just do that. Cut the side. That just did nothing. Oh, yeah, it kind of did. I mean, those ramen look good, man. It looks good. I'm so sorry for ADHD people out there who are just watching me do this so wrong. I am so sorry. I get you. I gotta add this. Oh, that feels nice. I'm probably gonna be like regretting this in like the past like 19, 20, okay, my mom to do this because I can't work the stove. I might be 11 years old, but I don't know how to work the stove. Wow, my mom's looking at me.
What do you do, okay?
And he's like for a week now. I'm making that like water boil first. We're doing it so it's so friendly. But anyway, I'll try to show y'all something. You can see in there, bro. Not gonna wait so I can get it on. It's supposed to be a skull with like mass on it because it's a broken wolf skull with an accent head. I don't like coloring stuff, to be honest. Anyway. Ooh, that's actually really hot. There we go. That's like steaming, bro. Wow, I'm ready for this. I'm okay with the sauce. Like, it feels good. I just put the lid on. So it keeps it in. I'll show you. Down at home, my home, the beats just calling. I'll come back in 2 minutes and I'll start the bad boy up. Ooh, I don't know. Just knob my feet. I'll come back in 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. Let's check. We're gonna use. Let me just pull it up so y'all can see our stove. We're gonna work with. Here's the bag I'm keeping it in. I'm trying to put this next to it. remove some water out of it, so using a spoon. This process is going to take for 2 decades. I'm using the spoon.
It's been bubbling for a while. Why is going to the grocery store $30,000, even if it's Dollar General? And that can't last forever. This is the growth rate, and it will grow through 2026. And listen, that's just the start of it. I'll be here in 2065.
Oh, that's actually hard. Okay, okay. We're back to stir. Okay, these are almost done. I'm just checking if they're like so hard, which they're perfectly once we come back, they will be ready. We're ready. I got the bowl. I'm not going to switch my camera right now. Okay, strain these somehow. I gotta get the strainer, bro. Hold on. Get the strainer. Here, I'll give you all the angle. I'll just put 8 tablespoons in. And I got 8 tablespoons, bro. 8. Water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We're good. Yeah, right there. Our noodles are in the drainers. We just like get our thing now. Butter in. This is gonna be fun. I hope. Oh, this is not big enough bowl, baby girl. It's not big enough bowl, so I gotta pick up a bowl. Which I'm pretty sure we still have. Oh, we got one of these bad boys. I don't think that's usable. I don't have a little bowl, bro. What the freak? Okay, right here. I'm pretty sure it's not big enough bowl. That one? What the freak? I'll just use a plate, screw it. I'm using a plate because I can't find a big enough bowl. See how easy that was. It was so easy, man. And today we're layering points. We gotta add our little, where'd it go? Where's our bucktail seeds? What the frick did they go? Like, what's going on? What are these things the most? It was literally just right here. How'd you know? I guess we're not using them, so let me just go straight to the sauce. That sauce smells so good. I'm scared. What is this sauce? looks nasty, in my opinion. I'm trying to get every paper. This is really not that bad. What the freak? Anyway. Oh. Yee. I honestly never had, I'm not lying, I never had these cup of noodles in my life. Who knows, maybe I'll like these. Maybe they'll be my new favorite. And y'all see at the whole packet, right? There's like literally nothing left in that packet. I'm trying to get like it all, bro. I'm trying to I don't like wasting. God, if I get this noodle, and this noodle's going in the trash now. It's been like more than 5 seconds. This actually might be like, these look good. These look bomb. These look bomb. Again. Okay. Let's to the table. Okay. It's right here. Look, it's scary. There's like so much sauce. Hold on. Got our drink. How did I manage to get so much noodles on the ground? I'm scared. Wow. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's deadly. It's good but deadly. Keeping this with me. It's good but deadly. Not bad. Cheers. Don't try this out.
But then what the fuck did they put in this?
thick.
Hey, Mom. Try this.
No.
Please.
No, you know I don't like my food. That bad, Mur.
Horrible. Not even bread saved me.
Huh?
Not even bread saved me. I might just eat a whole tub of ice cream right now.